Hi everyone, thanks for joining me here today. Today we're going to look at making a Psytrance bass without using a filter. So usually we'd have a saw wave and an envelope controlling the filter, and that sounds like this. Right, what we can do instead is get an operator, and we've got a sine wave, and I've set the level to -8.9 just because I know this kind of works for this. You'll see why in a moment. Just going to set my phase. Right, so what you're going to need to do is go onto the FM routing and select no FM, so this far right one. Now you'll see that the feedback isn't grayed out anymore. You just chuck the feedback to 100%. You'll notice that we've now got a saw wave instead of a sine wave. Now, what we can do is set up our envelope. Starting to sound like a saw plug. But we're in the wrong octave, so let's go down one. So now we've got something like a saw plug. So what's happening is, as you increase the input, the feedback is sort of folding the wave. That might not be the right term, but it's something like folding. And you end up with a complex array of harmonics, which creates this saw wave sound. So we can use our peak value of our envelope kind of as the envelope depth on the normal way you would make a bass. So if we just drag this down, we've just got the lower harmonics. And as we drag it up, we'll start to get higher and higher harmonics. So you can tweak this and get it sounding the way you like it. But the cool thing with operator is that we can go get another sine wave and give it the same envelope settings. And if we set it to the same pitch as the original, as we start to pull up the level of this one, because it's out of phase perfectly, it's out of phase perfectly with the original, we can reduce our sub. I'll just pull up a span so you can see what's happening. Now the reason I do this is that I tend to end up using an EQ to turn down the fundamental bit anyway. So this way it's just slightly more elegant and stops any sort of phase issues you start getting with filters. And we can also use more sine waves and start either reinforcing harmonics or removing harmonics that we don't want. So let's say we want a bit more third harmonic. You need to set up the envelope to be the same. So if you watch our third harmonic, which is here, now that's out of phase, so it started to remove the third harmonic. So if we flip this, we've managed to add a little bit more third harmonic. So yeah, play around with that, enjoy the trick, and hope you have a lovely day.